good, YouTube, man? I'm back with another video. Y'all can't even see me because I'm lit up in the back. I'm in the Christmas spirit. I went ahead and put 1,500 lights on my car, and this is the result you get. 5 hours later, by myself, a roll of painter's tape and probably 15 boxes of Lowe's lights. And this is what you get. Wrapped it all the way around. I got a power inverter hooked up. I'm gonna show y'all the setup. Let me show y'all. I got Chris in here because he cold. Look at him. They're cold. Let me turn the car back on. It's cold out here. But I got my power inverter hooked up to my cigarette lighter. This is completely safe. And I got LEDs. LEDs, they don't take no power at all to run. So completely safe if y'all want to do it. Got this linked up all the way through my trunk. So from my trunk, this where it's coming out at. Wrapped it around, back and forth, all the way across, and just went up and down the whole way. Now, and it's crazy because all of my doors open except for this one right here. This door doesn't open, but all of these doors open. So I do got some footage of me putting it on, but it was so cold I had to lock in. It took me like 5 hours, like I said, but we out here. We got the drone, so I'm gonna put that footage in there. I'm also gonna drop a link to my boy channel. Y'all go sub to him. Go on his Instagram, Film Tough. Got the Audi out here, got the M4 out here with the Q50. It's crazy right now. Nah, that's sweet.
Yo, how do you got your cat?
So I got mine through a power inverter all the way through the back of my trunk, and then I just looped it around, but I have a power inverter on here.
Through the back of your trunk?
Yeah, so like it goes through my cigarette lighter, but like the way I have the lights kind of through the trunk, through like the second row of my car into that power inverter.
Oh, wow.
How'd you do yours?
Bro, I just had the battery power, so it's not
For real?
as bright as
That's
yours.
crazy.
Dude, I was driving down from all the way over there, and I was like, dude.
Yeah.
I saw you, so I first saw you, I was sitting at Walmart. You were sitting at the Cinema Cafe.
Yeah, it's crazy because my cousin had pointed out, he was like, there's somebody else with the lights. I was like, bro, that's
dude,
fire.
I saw yours, I was like, bro, that is so bright. Have you gotten pulled over?
I have not gotten pulled over. I haven't drove it on the interstate yet.
Oh.
But like, so like only streets kind of like this. Yep. And I do it around like Greenbrier Town Center. But I drove past a couple police and they haven't said anything to me, so.
Same, they haven't said anything to me either.
That's crazy.
So how do you have yours on?
Painter's tape.
Painter's tape?
Painter's tape, yep.
Oh, wow.
Won't, cause yeah, it won't.
Duct tape will definitely mess it up. That's what I got. I've been doing it for a little while.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so. But
nice.
yeah, am I interrupting?
No, you're good. You're good.
Okay,
You're good. We're just getting filming like.
Yeah, which is really cool, cause like you cannot miss it. And I was telling my buddy, I was like, dude, I want that right there. That just it looks like there's so many. How many strands?
1,500 lights total. So probably like 15 boxes worth of 25-foot lights.
Okay.
So how many ever that is, and I kind of did it like that, but.
And the painter's tape, you're not worried about the rain or falling off or anything?
I am worried about the rain. I am, cause it's like I literally can. It's easy to peel off, so I am worried about the rain. But
crap, yeah.
That's really the only thing. If it rains, I'm probably cooked. But
yeah, then I understand the interstate then.
Yeah.
Because if you go too fast.
But it's crazy, cause like even like on the interstate, like I haven't had any issues. Like I'll see like a piece of tape tearing off, like peeling off every here like now and again. But yeah, I really haven't had no issues with that.
Yo, you guys got like a YouTube channel or anything?
Yeah, I got a YouTube channel. Yeah, we both have a YouTube channel.
And you post the videos there or something?
Yeah, I post the videos up there.
Cool. Can I get that?
Yeah, bet. I got you. And I'll give you his as well.
bit.
That's gonna come out wild. Damn, that drone footage about to be insane.